I begin to do this work like a hobby, yeah.
Yes.
It's something that I like. I like my colors and the
Sure.
color this and
yes.
that,
Textures.
and that's why perhaps I'm not organized to do something, you know, more serious.
16, you were designing haute couture.
Yeah. I was not designing haute couture, I was designing mine clothes, and after slowly to some clients.
Yes.
And after to one show I was putting 2-3 models of mine, and after more and more until 92 I started doing all these fashion shows.
I will bleed for you.
Fashion cannot be made only by experience, but also by youth.
I can show you centuries of love and desire. I can free your love.
The best training that I could ever had and get from any university in fashion, it's here. It's
reality. You know?
yeah, I mean, I had the best teachers, I think, that they were amazing.
Come and share love and desire. Let me free your love.
My point is to all the time to show the femininity of the woman and to bring out the best of her own.
Your love eternally. The temperature rises when the words are spoken. But temporary hearts are bound to be broken. Shall I free your love?
How many times we have seen a fantastic dress to a lady and she looks awful.
Really?
Or a very good looking girl, you know, and the dress is not so nice, but it's great on her. It means it suits on her.
What are some of the secrets that in fashion that help?
To make them thinner, taller, you know, just to look
to
like
stretch them, in
models,
other words.
yes.
But obviously,
But it's amazing, I have seen that, how the psychological part, sometimes I have seen some women that they come here, I'm tired, and when you pull off the zip, they're going, oh.
they feel it.
Temperature rises when the words are spoken. But temporary hearts are bound to be broken. Shall I free your love eternally? The temperature rises when the words are spoken. But temporary hearts are bound to be broken. Shall I free your love eternally?
I don't like models like the English style, that they are like boys, you know. No. Yeah, this is.
Yes, I know.
they're
It's very
flat, you know.
masculine.
Yeah.
Yes.
I've done one shows in Dorchester, and when I was doing the casting, it was so difficult. I was bringing model from Paris, from. I don't say I want them fat, not at all. I want them very tall and
Yes.
thin.
Yes.
But to have you know, the shape of a woman, you know, to have big shoulder. I mean, the type in London is the shoulder down, very flat, with, you know, very, very narrow, and they walk like that, you know.
When someone says the word haute couture, of course it's been badly used the last few years. What does it really mean?
Yes, it's very bad use, but for me it means something different, unique, something special, and it's a place that you can experience yourself every time to try to find something new. It's like a dream.
But 'tis the question clear.
Working, 12 years, okay, I have clients, all the women in Greece that I would ever want, but if you tell me if I have done anything, I haven't done anything.
I will bleed for you. on my knees for you.
I like to be free, you know. I don't know, here I do the 2 fashion shows and I can go somewhere else. I'm living here and there, and I like this, you know. So I always was afraid that if I will go into hard business with pret-a-porter that every, you know, 2 years and get involved with the, you know, when it's one by one I can check the quality and all this.
Love and desire, let me free your love. The temperature rises when the words are spoken.
Everybody that makes something, produce something, even if he writes a book or he does tables or cars or whatever, it's what he has in his mind, what he has seen in all his life. And
His inspiration comes from his experience.
yes. Many times I have caught myself. I can see this shape somewhere and I remember I saw the Pont Alexandre at Paris, you know,
Yes.
the bridge, and with the golden, you know, and it was very, the gold was very in fashion. So I did the same embroidery all here. I mean, you get inspiration from everywhere.
Words are spoken, but temporary hearts are bound to be broken. Shall I free your love eternally? The temperature rises when the words are spoken, but temporary hearts are bound to be broken. Shall I free?
I admire when something is new, and sometimes I get angry with me if I like something very much that I couldn't first think about it.